what's up guys? So, magbasa adi ay ta. The Philippine Physical Activity Pyramid is an important and reliable guide to the different types of physical activities one can engage in. It also gives recommendations on the frequency with which one should engage in which activity. Check out. Identify the different levels of the Philippine Physical Activity Pyramid and fill in with recommended physical activities. Some practical tips on improving your physical fitness level can be of great to you. Read these types below. Then, on a piece of paper, write the numbers of the ones that you think you can do. Walk your number 1. Walk your dog around the mountain ni mama. N eagle. I J nga kuan ha, J nga got. H B O R H O O D. N eagle. I J H B O R H O O D.
Wait lang. B-O...
O H B.
Double O?
Ang hod.
B-O, unya?
R
R...
H
H...
double O. Nya D.
H, double O, D... Neighbor... What? Neighbor... As another...
Naasa number 1. Ini katapusa.
Neighborhood. Neighborhood.
neighborhood. Do the laundry. Number 2, do the laundry manually instead of using the washing machine. Number 3, help out in
Asa namang mas on na pinag-on.
help out in gardening and other household chores. Number 4, walk or read the book instead of reading a tricycle to buy necessary times from sari or convenience store.
Depende.
Sakto ma? Or market. Number 5, dance. Number 6, minimize computer time. Number 7, use starts instead of elevator. Number 8, walk briskly. Number 9, play sports with friends every afternoon. 10, jog with family and friends during weekends. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Mwah.